Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Kosh. Today we are going to discuss question answers of chapter Sachin Tendulkar the Master Blaster from Fairy class 8th. First question. Who did Sachin play cricket with when he was young? Answer. Sachin played cricket with his colony friends when he was young. Second question. Name his favorite players. Answer. His favorite players are Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. Third question. How many sets of cricket clothes did Sachin have? Answer. Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes. Fourth question. Where was the camp held? Answer. The camp was held at Shivaji Park. Fifth question. How long did it take for Sachin to travel to the camp? Answer. It took 40 minutes for Sachin to travel to the camp. Sixth question. When did Sachin's transition from playing with a tennis ball to playing with a cricket ball happen? Answer. The transition from playing with a tennis ball to playing with a cricket ball happened under the watchful eyes of Ramakant Achrekar, then cricket coach at Shraddha Ashram Vidya Mandir School. Seventh question. Write a short note on Ramakant Achrekar. Answer. Ramakant Achrekar was cricket coach at Shraddhashram Vidya Mandir School. He started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943. He played for a number of Mumbai clubs, including the Gulmohar Mills and Mumbai Port, and played a first-class match for the State Bank of India against Hyderabad in 1963. When I was growing up, he was undoubtedly one of the most accomplished coaches in Mumbai. Said Sachin. Question 8. Describe Sachin's selection process at Ramakant Achrekar camp. Answer. Sachin when taken to camp, he saw that there were nets for players and he had never batted in nets and he was nervous too. Then he batted, but he was not able to make impact on Sir. Then Ajit instead Sir to give him second chance, and its second time he batted Sir and got ball and made selected impact. Next question. Ajit was a great inspiration to his younger brother. Explain from the text. Answer. Ajit is elder brother of Sachin. He was the inspiration for Sachin Tendulkar. He used to observe Sachin when he played cricket in his colony. He understood his potential. His potential. He took him to Ramakant Archekar, Sir, famous cricket coach. At his camp, Sachin was not able to make impact on Ramakant Achrekar, Sir, but Ajit asked Sir to give him one more chance as Sachin was nervous at first time. Then at second time he played well. That made Ramakant Sir to give admission to Sachin. Ajit goes to camp on first day to accompany Sachin to show him different ways to camp. During the way to the camp in bus, he used to talk about different batting techniques. He got inspired by Ajit thought and he said to served as personal coaching manual. This way, Ajit become inspiration for Sachin. Reference to context. First, this time Sir agreed to let me join the camp. A. Who is Sir? Answer. Sir is Ramakant Achrekar, Sir, coach of Sachin. B. What do you know about the camp? Answer. The camp was held at Shivaji Park. It was organized by Ramakant Achrekar. It was a summer camp. This camp was for other students apart from the school students of Shraddhashram school. Their students came from different age groups, starting from the sub-junior and junior levels. See, how was this time different from the previous time? Answer: this time was different from the previous time because at previous time Ramakant sir refused to take Sachin in summer camp as he was not able to make an impact on him as he was nervous. Then Ajit instead to sir for giving Sachin second chance. This time he made an impact on him as he played well and Ramakant sir selected him and gave him admission in his camp. Second, during the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nonsense of batting. A. Who is he? Answer: he is Ajit, Sachin's elder brother. B. Where would the bus take them? Answer: the bus take them to camp. C. What does the speaker say immediately after this? Answer: the immediately said after this that he enjoyed their conversation. The one thing that he kept with him all his career as a note that Ajit gave him containing some thoughts about batting. It served him as a very personal coaching manual. Third, words are watching me so closely. I failed to and to make an impact. A. Who is I here? Answer: I is Sachin here. B. Who is Sir here? Answer: Sir is Ramakant Achrekar, the coach of that camp. C. What happened as a consequence here? Answer: the consequence that happened here was that he failed to make an impact on Sir and he refused to Sachin in his camp. Ramakant Achrekar asked Ajit to take him back as he was too young to make the camp. D. What were the other reasons for such consequence? Answer: the other reasons for such consequence are that Sir was seeing him too closely, so he became nervous. Lots of people were watching him. Lot of people were watching him also. He had never played in net and in camp he was asked to play in nets. Next, I even experimented with tactics. A. Which game in referred to here? Answer: cricket is referred to here. B. What tactics are spoken about here? Answer: slower ball, bowling from wide of the stump, different deliveries, medium pace, off spin, and leg spin with tennis ball are the tactics spoken here. Third, anyone could come for the trial at the camp. A. Where was the camp? Answer: the camp was at Shivaji Park. B. Who wanted to come for trial at the camp? Answer: anyone can come for trial at the camp who wants. C. What was the aim of the camp? Answer: the aim of the camp was to teach cricket to all students except them who go Shraddhashram.